Hello, kumusta? So, ngayon i-compare natin yung or how much mas-save kung bumili tayo ng Inmax in cash kumpara kung mag-installment. So, by the website, meron dito gawin natin halimbawa itong Yamaha Inmax Techmax, so which is 175 900. So, 175 900. And then, so sa installment, mayroon siyang down payment na 22,000. 22,000. Payment terms is 36 months. Monthly payment is 8,000. 8,000. So, ito, bali, yung total na payment. Ito yung total payment sa down payment plus yung 36 months na 8,000. Kumpara kung nag-cash is 175. So, may difference talaga na 134,100 pesos.